How to copy Telegram group link. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can copy a group link on Telegram app. Now, if you open up the Telegram app, you'll get an interface like this. Now head into the particular group that you want to copy, and here tap on the profile name or profile icon that you can see at the top. And here you can see the invite link just there on the screen above the notifications option or notification icon. Now what you can do is tap on the barcode. You can see the barcode icon at the right hand side of the screen. Tap on it and you'll be able to share QR code by tapping on share QR code, and you can select the platform you want to share, or you can select particular friends, or you can share it through nearby share. However, if you want to copy the group link, what you can do is simply tap on the link available. You can see the invite link, and above it you can see the link just beside the QR code icon. Just tap on it and you'll get the option to copy link. You can see at the bottom of the screen copy link icon option, and then tap on it and you can see it's copied to clipboard. Now you can head into any chats or any platform chats you want, and then simply long tap and you'll be able to paste the link here. So this way you can copy Telegram group link. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.